Former ICT Cabinet Secretary Margaret Ndung'u has officially declined President William Ruto's nomination to serve as Kenya's High Commissioner to Ghana, citing personal and pressing family commitments. Her decision marks a surprising twist in the appointment process, raising questions about the circumstances surrounding this diplomatic posting. Ndung'u had been slated to attend a vetting session before the Departmental Committee on Defense, Intelligence, and Foreign Relations on Friday morning. However, instead of appearing in person, she submitted a formal letter notifying the committee of her withdrawal from consideration. The letter, read out by committee chair Nelson Coach, revealed that this is the second time a nominee for the Accra post has stepped aside. Earlier, former West Mugirango MP Victor Mogaka Kamosi similarly declined the role in April 2024, leading Coach to describe the position as jinxed. In her correspondence, Ndung'u expressed gratitude for the opportunity to be considered, but emphasized the weight of her personal obligations. I appreciate the invitation to appear before the Departmental Committee on Defense, Intelligence, and Foreign Relations on January 10, 2025, at the Parliament Building in Nairobi, her letter began. She then cited Section 16 of the Public Appointment, Parliamentary Approval, Act 2011, to formally decline the role. This decision is driven by personal and compelling family matters, she explained. After careful consideration, I have determined that I cannot take up the position of High Commissioner to Ghana, as nominated by President William Ruto on November 19, 2024. Ndung'u's letter also sought to minimize any disruption her decision might cause to parliamentary proceedings. To save the valuable time allocated for parliamentary business, I submit this letter as official notice of my decision not to appear for the approval hearing, she added. Her withdrawal has sparked speculation about the challenges tied to the Ghana posting. Is it merely coincidental, or does the position come with unspoken difficulties? The pattern of nominees stepping away could suggest either personal apprehensions or broader systemic issues within the nomination and vetting processes. For a nation keen on strengthening its diplomatic ties, such developments are a setback. As Ghana plays a pivotal role in regional and continental matters, particularly within ECOWAS and the African Union, filling this role is of strategic importance for Kenya. Ndung'u's decision, while personal, reflects the delicate balance public servants must maintain between professional commitments and personal responsibilities. It also underscores the need for the government to ensure thorough vetting and alignment with nominees' circumstances before public announcements. The committee, and indeed the nation, now awaits President Ruto's next move to nominate a suitable candidate for this critical position. Meanwhile, the unanswered questions surrounding the Ghana appointment linger, inviting further scrutiny into Kenya's diplomatic processes.